Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today we're going to show you how to install your Tusk Holeshot device onto your dirt bike. If you need to know more about these, we do have a spotlight video, so go check that out. But the install is going to work for the single button and the dual button devices. Let's go ahead and get started. Right here we have our parts and our tools laid out. So the kit is going to come with the drill template, your buttons, the countersink, and the ring. In addition to that, you want to have some tools. So we've got an 8mm T-handle, 2.5 and 3mm hex bits. We also have an auto centering punch, and then 11/64 and 31/64 inch drill bits, or you could use 4 and 12mm drill bits if you have those. We've got our drill, a metric tape measure, medium strength thread locker. Additionally, we do have a Sharpie and some masking tape to help lay things out. Next, we've already got the right fork guard removed, so we need to determine where we're going to mount the button on this fork guard. And this is going to determine how far the fork is compressed when you're using the Holeshot device. We always measure from the top of the fork guard, and your standard measurement is going to range from 100mm all the way to 175. So if you're in dirt that you're getting lots of traction and you're an aggressive starter, you might want to have this lower button at the 175 mark. On the other hand, if you are doing a cement start and maybe you're even in wet conditions and it's a little more slick, you might want to have this more at the 100mm mark. For us, we're going to be going right in the middle. That way we get best of both worlds. So the lower button, we're going 150mm, and the upper button is going to be at 125. But again, this is all wherever best fits your riding needs. So if you want to go somewhere else, you're welcome to move this where you need it. Once you decide where you want your button or buttons to be installed, you can go ahead and take the template that came in the kit. You're going to square that up on the fork guard, double check your measurement, and then I've got some painter's tape right here. I'm going to use that to stick this in place. You want to double check the measurement, make sure everything's squared up, and once it is, you can press the ends of the painter's tape down. And now I'm going to use an auto centering punch to mark each of the drilling locations, and on these outer 4 corners, I'm going to go on the outer edge of each. That's because the screws go in at an angle. Then we're going to use our 11/64 inch drill bit in the 4 corners. Then the 31/64 inch drill bit for the middle drilling locations. And then we're going to use the countersink to clean all of these holes up. So I'm going to lightly touch up the outside first. Now on the inside, we want to make sure we have a nice taper on each of the holes. So the goal here is to make sure that when we install the mounting hardware, that it sits flush on this inside surface. You might want to check it once or twice, and you might have to go a little bit further each time to make sure it sits flush. Just make sure you don't drill too far. Next, I'm going to apply some medium strength thread locker to the mounting hardware, and then I'm going to use a 2.5mm hex T-handle to mount the bracket to the fork guard. The next step is to install the Holeshot ring. So we're going to go around the fork, and I've applied some medium strength thread locker to the 2 screws. And again, we're using the 2.5mm hex T-handle to get those installed. And before you tighten them all the way down, you need to make sure this little U is lined up with your buttons. So I'm just going to use a T-handle. Then once you have that all in alignment, go ahead and tighten these screws down. And we're going to do it in a couple of steps. You want to go back and forth and make sure they're tightened evenly. All right, now that we have the Holeshot device installed, we're ready to go race. I do want to point out one more thing though. Tusk does make a fork guard bracket. So if you're running a more aggressive setting, you might want to look into this, because what it's going to do if you add this on there, it's going to help prevent the fork guard, the bottom of the plastic, from breaking out if you're running that more aggressive setting. So we're doing a separate video on this. Check it out if you need it, but that's it for the install on this Holeshot device. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. If you need either of these products, they're available on our website. Click the link in the description below. Orders over $75 ship free, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.